Good morning, students. I have discussed what is congruency. Okay. Now I'm going to discuss the criteria, side angle side criteria. Okay. So what is side angle side? If in any two triangle, if two sides and included angle. What is by included angle? Suppose that in this figure it is given side AB is equal to side DE and side AC is equal to side DF and angle A is equal to angle D. So you have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. Okay. So how will you prove that these two triangles are congruent? So it is SAS, it is axioms. ठीक है, ये जो है प्रूवन है, इसको हम लोग डेफिनेशन से प्रूव करेंगे. ठीक है. So first of all, what is a statement? A statement of SAS criteria. So in any two triangle, if two sides and included angle of one are respectively equal to corresponding two sides and included angle of other, so prove that triangles are congruent. ठीक है. In any two triangle, if two sides and included angle of one, two sides here AB and AC, included angle A, are respectively equal to corresponding two sides and included angle of other. ठीक है. What is mean by corresponding here? Suppose if I am writing ABC and DEF, so A का corresponding angle D होगा, B का corresponding E है and C का corresponding F. Corresponding of side AB is equal to D, corresponding side BC is equal to EF and corresponding of side AC is equal to DF. So in any two triangle, if two sides and included angle of one are respectively equal to corresponding two sides and included angle of other, here you have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. Okay. So in any theorem, you know there are four in any theorem. ठीक है. If you want to prove any theorem, you will have to go with the four step. First one is your given part, second what to prove, second third construction if needed, and fourth is proof. So again student, what is given here? Here given that triangle ABC and DEF are two triangles such that side AB is equal to D. What is given here? Side AB is equal to D and side BC is equal to EF and angle A is equal to angle D. Prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. So how will you prove? So by the definition of congruency you prove. What do you mean by congruent? If this, अगर ये ट्रायंगल को मैं उठा करके यहाँ पे प्लेस करूँ तो ये इसको एग्जैक्टली कवर कर लेगा, या फिर अगर ये ट्रायंगल को उठाकर मैं यहाँ प्लेस करूँ तो ये एक दूसरे को एग्जैक्टली कवर कर लेगा. ठीक है. तो अगर ऐसा होता है then we can say that these two triangles are congruent. So how will you prove? Place triangle ABC on triangle DEF. क्या करना है आपको? ABC को प्लेस करना है कहाँ पे? DEF पे. Place triangle ABC on triangle DEF such that, किस तरह से प्लेस करना है देखिए, वर्टेक्स A जो है वो कहाँ प्लेस होगा? वर्टेक्स D पे. Place triangle ABC on triangle DEF such that vertex A place on vertex D. Now here given AB is equal to D. तो अगर vertex A को आप प्लेस किए vertex D पे और AB is equal to D है, now you can say that sir vertex B placed होगा vertex E पे. Yes or no? So here I am written place triangle ABC on triangle DEF such that vertex A placed on vertex D. Since AB is equal to D, therefore vertex B placed on vertex E. Now again, here it is given that angle A is also equal to angle D. Angle A जो है वो angle D के equal है. तो if angle A is equal to angle D, now you can say, sir AC placed on DF. But again here given that AC is equal to DF. Both the sides are equal. So now you can say that sir C placed on F. Again I am repeating, place triangle ABC on triangle DEF such that vertex A placed on vertex D. ठीक है. Since AB is equal to D, therefore vertex B placed on vertex E. Now again, here given that angle A is equal to angle D, angle A और angle D equal है आपस में. Now you can say that sir AC placed on DF. Now AC is equal to DF here, so you can say that C placed on F, vertex C placed on vertex F. Now triangle ABC, now you can say sir triangle ABC covered triangle DEF exactly. So by the definition of congruency you can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay, so this is axioms, and this theorem we will prove by the definition of congruency. Okay, thank you.